टिकापुरको पार्कले मधुमा सर्छ,
घोडा घोडी तालले सबैको लोभ्याउँछ मन।
दोधारा चाँदनीको पुलमा अडिरहन्छ मन।
खट्खड पाटन बढीमा लेख सेती नदीको मिठो कलकल।
अपी साइपाल हिमाल राजकाँडाले पार्छ हर बिहान झलमल। नेपाली मनको एउटै आवाज, यो हो रेडियो पश्चिम आवाज, यो हो रेडियो पश्चिम आवाज, यो हो रेडियो पश्चिम आवाज।
नेपाली मनको एउटै आवाज सामुदायिक रेडियो पश्चिम आवाज 104.7 मेगाहर्ज।
हामी बढ्छौँ, हामी लेख्छौँ, हामी अघि बढ्छौँ, ठुलो भई बोली हामी देशलाई सिंगार्छौँ।
कोभिड-19 ले गर्दा घरमै बसेका विद्यार्थीहरूका लागि लम्कीचुहा नगरपालिका संघको सहकारीमा अब रेडियो मार्फत घरमै बसेर पढ्नुहोस्। कार्यक्रम रेडियो स्कुल। हाम्रो मालिका एफएम 99 मेगाहर्ज, एफएम रेडियो स्टार 95.3 मेगाहर्ज र सामुदायिक रेडियो पश्चिम आवाज 104.7 मेगाहर्जमा एकसाथ। अब प्रत्येक दिन बिहान 7 बजेदेखि 11 बजेसम्म कार्यक्रम रेडियो स्कुल। कक्षा 8 का लागि सामुदायिक रेडियो पश्चिम आवाज 104.7 मेगाहर्ज। विषय विज्ञान बिहान 8 बजेदेखि 8:40 बजेसम्म। विषय गणित बिहान 8:40 देखि 9:20 सम्म। विषय अंग्रेजी बिहान 9:20 देखि 10 बजेसम्म। कक्षा 9 का लागि एफएम रेडियो स्टार 95.3 मेगाहर्ज। विषय विज्ञान बिहान 7 बजेदेखि 7:40 सम्म। विषय गणित बिहान 7:40 देखि 8:20 सम्म। विषय अंग्रेजी बिहान 8:20 देखि 9 बजेसम्म। कक्षा 10 का लागि हाम्रो मालिका एफएम 99 मेगाहर्ज। विषय विज्ञान बिहान 9 बजेदेखि 9:40 बजेसम्म। विषय गणित बिहान 9:40 देखि 10:20 सम्म। विषय अंग्रेजी बिहान 10:20 बजेदेखि 11 बजेसम्म। लामो समयदेखि विद्यालय जान नपाएर घरमै बसेका विद्यार्थीहरूका लागि यो सुवर्ण अवसर। त्यसैले विद्यार्थी तथा अभिभावकहरू बिहान 7 बजेदेखि बिहान 11 बजेसम्म रेडियो खोलेर बस्नुहोस् र अध्ययन गर्नुहोस्। कार्यक्रम रेडियो स्कुल। नमस्कार, कार्यक्रम रेडियो स्कुलमा यहाँलाई हार्दिक स्वागत छ। लम्कीचुहा नगरपालिका शिक्षा शाखाको सहयोगमा सामुदायिक रेडियो पश्चिम आवाज 104.7 मेगाहर्ज लम्की कैलालीद्वारा यस क्षेत्रका विद्यार्थीहरूका लागि शैक्षिक विकासमा टेवा पुर्याउने उद्देश्यले यो कार्यक्रम प्रसारण गरिएको हो। कोभिड-19 का कारण लामो समयदेखि विद्यालय जान नपाएर घरमै बसिरहनु परेको अवस्थालाई मध्यनजर गर्दै लम्कीचुहा नगरपालिका शिक्षा शाखाको सहकारीमा सामुदायिक रेडियो पश्चिम आवाजले उत्पादन गरेको यो कार्यक्रम प्रत्येक दिन बिहान 8 बजेदेखि 10 बजेसम्म विद्यार्थीहरूका लागि तयार गरिएको हो। कार्यक्रममा हामी कक्षा 8 को अनिवार्य विज्ञान, अंग्रेजी र गणित विषयको अध्यापन गराउनेछौँ। अब प्रस्तुत छ कक्षा 8 को अंग्रेजी विषयको आजको कक्षा।
class 8. I am your teacher Jamuna Adhikari Khanal here. Dear students, turn your page. Page number 38, Unit 4. Unit 4, page number 38. Exercise 2. Find what happened in the life of Ganeshman Singh. Find what happened in the life of Ganeshman Singh. Write a sentence for each date given in the table. Date is left side. An event that happened in his life is right side. There is date, but we have to write down the event that happened in his life. Please, let's start. November 9, 1950. November 9, 1950. Event happened in her life is, write down, Ganeshman Singh was born. Ganeshman Singh was born. Write down. Ganeshman Singh was born. First, second date 1940. 1940. He joined, write down, event. He joined Parja. He joined Parja Parishad. He joined Parja Parishad. In 1940, he joined Parja Parishad. Okay, third one is October 18, 1940. October 18, 1914. Write down. He was arrested. He was arrested. He was arrested. He was arrested. 1944. 1944. He escaped. He escaped from Bhadragol jail. 1944. He escaped from Bhadragol jail. Bhadragol jail. In 1949, In 1949, he became in 1949 he became founder member of Congress. In 1949, he became founder, write down, founder member of Congress. Founder member of Congress. Nineteen fifty. He played significant role to overthrow Rana regime. Nineteen fifty-eight. Write down. He became a cabinet minister. He became a cabinet minister. Cabinet minister. In 1959, sorry, 1960. In 1960, write down, he was arrested. And kept at सुंदरी जल military detention he was arrested and kept at Sundari Jal military detention. Okay, third one, last. 13th October 1968. Date 13th October 1968. Write down event. He was released. You are released from Sundari Jal jail. He was released from Sundari Jal jail. Okay. In 1990, write down, he lead L-E-A-D lead he lead the Nepalese democratic movement. Next, 1993. 1993. He was awarded Human Rights Award by the UNO. In 1993, he was awarded Human Rights Award by UNO. Last one. September 18, 1997. September 18, 1997. Last event of his life is he died. He died. Okay, dear student, exercise 2, time for grammar. Time for grammar. In this chapter, unit 4, in grammar, focus point is relative pronoun. Okay, in unit 4, grammar focus topics is relative pronoun. It means use of who, which, where, that, what, and whom. How to use this relative pronoun? At first, you have to knowledge in which condition we use who, in which condition we use which, in which condition we use where, that, and this. At first, we have to knowledge about use of who. Dear students, write down important point in your note copy. Use of who. If person is in subject position, हेर्नुहोस् है, ख्याल गर्नुहोस्, हु को प्रयोग जब गरिन्छ कुनै व्यक्ति सब्जेक्ट को रूपमा आउँछ. फर एक्जाम्पल, द मेन, इट मीन्स राम. If person in subject position, we use who. कुनै व्यक्ति सब्जेक्ट को पोजिसन मा छ भने that condition we use who. For example, Ram, dad came yesterday, was very nice. The Ram is a person who came the subject position, so you have to use who relative pronoun. The Ram who came yesterday was very nice. It means I saw the man. I saw the man who was blind. So, person came in the position of subject. In that position, we use who pronoun. Second usage of whom. If the person that came the position of object form, कुनै पनि व्यक्ति अब्जेक्ट को ठाउँमा आउँछ भने त्यस्तो अवस्थामा हामी के को प्रयोग गर्छौं? whom. For example, I have the boy. The boy is object, subject, verb, object position. So we use whom. If the boy who is, if the subject position, but here the boy is object position, so we have to use the whom. I help the boy whom everyone likes. Okay, third one, whose. whose also used with person if the person is used in possessive form. कुनै पनि व्यक्ति पोसेसन देखाउनको लागि प्रयोग गरिन्छ भने सम्बन्ध उसको, his, her, their. If such words in use word sentence, we use whose relative pronoun. For example, I saw the boy whose father is a teacher. Possessive form. Whose father is a teacher. This is the possessive form. Next, where. Where is used to show the place. He went to my house. He was given nice food. He went to my house. Where? Because house means place. He went to my house where he was given a nice food. If there is place, show relative pronoun. Then which is used, which or that is used to things or animals. I bought a book which I like most. I saw the snake which was very long. I sold a car which I bought last year. This is the use of relative pronoun. Dear students, move toward the B. Study. Study the following text about a boy. Here is the uses of relative pronoun. Listen carefully and see. A boy who is reading a book is my brother. There is who relative pronoun. Listen carefully. The boy who is reading a book is my brother. He is 17 years old. He is hard working. He looks funny and he usually wears short pants and cap. He likes to play football and cricket. He has a small mole to his right cheek. And this is a exercise 1. Then move toward the exercise 2. Study this example. A man is a doctor. She lives next door. Study. At first you have to study this example. A man is a doctor. She lives next door. Next one. Example here. The woman who lives next door is doctor. There is person focus, but person in subject position. We have to use who. Next one is a lady is writing her leg. She is Jhamag Ghimire. Once again, the lady who is writing with her leg is Jhamag Ghimire. Then now make one sentence from each of the following pairs using a relative pronoun. Okay. A man answered the phone. He was my uncle. Write down answer. A man. Write down. A man who pronoun use here because person focus and person is subjective position. A man who answered the phone was my uncle. Was my uncle. Then B. A waiter serves us. A waiter serves us. He was very polite. Okay, write down sentence using relative pronoun. A waiter who serves us was very polite. Very polite. A waiter who serves us was very polite. Okay, dear students. निर्धारित समय समाप्त हुन लागेको जानकारी मैले पाइसकेँ। त्यसैले आजको तपाईको अंग्रेजी शिक्षिका म जमुना अधिकारी खनाल आजको लागि बिदा हुन चाहन्छु। हस्त बाय बाय, सी यू टुमारो।
आदरणीय श्रोता, तपाईले अहिले सुन्नुभयो अनिवार्य अंग्रेजी विषयको कक्षा 8 को आजको कक्षा। लम्कीचुवा नगरपालिका संघको सहकारीमा सामुदायिक रेडियो पश्चिम आवाज 104.7 मेगाहर्जले उत्पादन गरेको यो कार्यक्रम प्रत्येक दिन तपाईले यसै समयमा सुन्दै आइरहनु भएको छ। भोलि नयाँ कक्षाका साथ उपस्थित हुनेछौं। आजका लागि कार्यक्रम रेडियो स्कुलबाट हामी सबै बिदा हुन्छौं। नमस्कार।